Now that you've installed your roller barrier, you're probably wondering what kind of ongoing maintenance it needs and how long it will last. In this video, we cover those aspects to ensure you get the most out of your barrier and it continues to offer anti-climb protection for many years to come. Roller Barrier has a 3-year manufacturer's warranty from date of purchase for all components of the system supplied by Insight Security. However, based on proven in-field performance to date, we're pleased to confirm that the Roller Barrier system has an estimated life expectancy of more than 15 years. Roller Barrier is designed to be maintenance-free post-installation. The roller cups are manufactured with a variety of additives to stabilise the cup to tropical standards. UV additives prevent material degradation caused by constant exposure to the sun. There's also an additive to prevent the colour pigments of the cup from fading. Rotating the cups through 90 degrees every 3 to 4 years will help to minimise any UV-induced fading that may occur on the sun-facing surface. This relates to aesthetic appearance only, as the surface fading will have no discernible impact on the structural integrity of the roller cups. You'll also be pleased to know that all the materials used in Roller Barrier can be recycled once it's past its optimum lifespan. For more information on Roller Barrier or our range of anti-climb products, check out our website or call our friendly team.